Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is the Clear Water Carafe Set with a pitcher and glass. And I absolutely love this for my bathroom. While it's great to get a sip of water from the tap, what I actually use it for is to store mouthwash in just such an aesthetically pleasing way. Mouthwash can look so bulky and ugly in its original packaging, and now in this glass it just doesn't look out of place and even adds a layer of decoration to my bathroom counter space. It has a very simple yet elegant design, and I love that it can be used for so many things, like sitting at my bedside so I can grab a quick drink of water at night. And it's very durable. It's made of borosilicate glass that is heat and cold resistant, and it also has a 30-ounce capacity. It's also just a great pitcher to use for entertaining, for instance, to pour wine or other drinks. And because it's so simple and useful, I think that it's a great gift. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.